everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. On today's episode, we're going to do some Honey Sriracha Chicken Wings. And we're going to do it on the pellet grill. Oh man, it's going to be really good. All right, let's get right to it. All right, so we'll talk about the wings here. I've got some just big old fat chicken wings. Now I went ahead and bought the value pack because it's cheaper that way. And I'll just show you guys how to prep them real quick. It's super simple. And then we'll get to season them up, get them on that grill. Real quick and easy, you guys. Got a nice wing right there. You got the tip, flat, and the drum. What we're looking for is just these two right here. We're going to get rid of the tip. So what you do is you take your knife and kind of find that little edge that's in there. Just cut right through it. Same on this one. Just find that little edge right there. Cut right through it. Get rid of a little bit of the flap there, a little bit of fat. So we've got a drum and a flat right there. Those things are going to be really tasty. So I'll go ahead and prep all these real quick, get them all chopped up. I'll get right back to you. All right, now that all the chicken is prepped and prepared, what we're gonna do is we're gonna dry them off real quick. We want them nice and dry. So I'm just gonna pat them dry with some paper towels here. All right, now that they're all dry, I'm just gonna toss them in this bowl over here. And then we will get our seasoning made up. And we'll coat these bad boys. All right, make sure you wash your hands. I would do it in my outdoor kitchen over here, but it's winter and I've got all my hoses put away. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna make up the seasoning real quick. One of the things that makes these really crispy is using baking powder. This is kind of a little secret or something. Well, maybe not so much. A secret, but it's one of the ingredients that you would think, whoa, what, really? So we got a 1/4 cup of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons salt, and 2 teaspoons black pepper. Now I'll just go ahead and give that a nice stir. Try not to make a mess everywhere. Just gonna kind of coat them real quick. Ooh, it's windy out here. That's the problem with the outdoor kitchen. Losing all my powder. Something like that. I'm just gonna have to get dirty and wash my hands again. We'll toss them. Get more of that on there. So what's going to happen is that baking powder is going to crisp everything up and kind of make it like, I don't know, you air fried these things. All right, there we go. We've got powder on all of them. Looks nice and even. I'll go wash my hands again, and then we'll get these things on the grill. All right, let's get our grill going. We're going to turn it on real quick. And once we got smoke rolling, we'll toss them in there. All right, that grill is ready. We're gonna throw them on actually, and we're gonna smoke them for about a half an hour, and then we're gonna crank them up to around 400 degrees. You can use a charcoal grill. You can use an oven, you can use a regular smoker. Whatever you got, get it up to 400 and get these things rolling. All right, they're all on there. We'll let them sit in there and get some smoke for about a half an hour, and then we'll come back and we'll crank it up and get these things cooking. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, it's been a half an hour. Let's take a look. That's a lot of smoke rolling out of there. They're looking pretty good. That baking powder's doing its job already. And they're looking good. All right, we're gonna crank it up to a 400 degrees now, which is gonna be basically high. There we go. All All right, so we'll let those cook for about 15 minutes. We'll come back, check them, flip them, and keep going until we get to an internal temperature of 175. And then we got to make our sauce. Can't forget to make the sauce. I'll show you guys that in a minute too. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. I went a little bit longer. We're gonna check them and probably flip them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those are looking good. Real good. We'll give them all a flip real quick. Okay. We'll let them sit for another 20 minutes probably. I'm losing some of my sunlight and it's getting cold out here. So hopefully this video doesn't end up in the dark, but it just might. All right, we'll give a check on a couple of these. See where we're at. We're almost there. 175, we're looking for 175. All right, we've reached our internal temperature. What I'm gonna do though is I'm just gonna shut the grill down for right now so they can stay in there and just be kind of warm. And then we're gonna make the sauce. Let's go to the shutdown cycle. There we go. All right, let's get to making that honey sriracha sauce. All right, so for the sauce, you're gonna need a saucepan. You're gonna need some sriracha. You're gonna need some honey, soy sauce, white wine vinegar or rice vinegar, and a lime. Real simple ingredients, you guys. So first we're just gonna add our honey to the pan. It's so cold out here that I can barely get the honey to move. All the ingredients and the measurements and everything's gonna be down in the description box. So check down there. Just gonna kind of do equal parts of that, or what I think is equal parts. Soy sauce, little add of white wine vinegar, just a little bit. Then half of a lime. Squeeze that in there. All right, we'll just turn it on to medium heat real quick and we'll get the heating this up. Oh, I can smell that sriracha, the honey. Ooh. All right, just keep stirring that up. All right, what you can do is just give it a little taste and see if you got enough heat. Too much heat, add what you need. I think this is pretty good. Oh yeah, I just got hit with the sriracha. That's good. So we're almost there. We just want it to bubble up. Just gonna grab them wings out of there. Get them in the bowl. Oh yeah. Look how crispy that chicken wing is. Woo! Oh yeah. Look at those things. Wow. They look awesome already without even the sauce. I might just try one without the sauce. Which, speaking of, I think our sauce is done. All right, our sauce is done. Pull that off. Whew. Man, it's cold out here, you guys. Just appreciate these real quick. Just take a look at them. Look how crispy those things are. Man, they're beautiful. Crispy, crispy looking chicken wings. Now I am gonna try one real quick. I just am. They're gonna be hot though. Oh man. Oh, that's really good. These are gonna be awesome with the sauce. All right, let's hit them with the sauce now. So we'll just pour a little bit in there. Then we'll just go ahead and kind of toss it around. Oh man, these things are gonna be so good. A little more sauce. Woo, yeah. Giving them a nice toss. Oh no. I got him. No wing left behind. He's okay. All right, those are all tossed and sauced. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna chop up a couple of toppings or garnishes. real quick. So we've got some chives. Just gonna chop that up real quick. Just kind of nice to have some garnishes. All right, so I'm gonna plate these up on this here plate. I'll just take a couple of them out of here. We'll plate them up, make them look nice and pretty. And then we'll dig in while they're still warm, hopefully. All right, there's our plate of Honey Sriracha Chicken Wings. Now I'm gonna hit it with some toasted sesame seeds. Make these puppies stand out a little more. And then we've got our chives. Just a couple of chives on there. And maybe a lemon wedge or something on the side here. There you go. Take a look at that. Oh man, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's my type of chicken wing right there. Look at that thing. Whew. Honey Sriracha Chicken Wings. All right, let's give it a shot. Just take this guy right here. He looks mighty tasty. Oh man. Oh, that's so good. Holy cow. Oh, that right there is a good chicken wing. A really good one. If I do say so myself, that's a beautiful chicken wing, you guys. Super tasty. It's got some heat, got some sweet. Everything you need in a chicken wing, in my opinion. That's my opinion. I hope you guys will try this recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Baum Grillin'z out. That's a masterpiece right there. Oh, man. Oh, such a good combination.